All right, so I'm going to make lunch, and you're going to determine, you are going to decide, is this a vegan lunch, a vegetarian lunch? Is it healthy or is it unhealthy? Let me know in the comment section below. First thing, spinach. So is it healthy or not? You let me know. Then I'm going to take 2 bananas. If you haven't already seen my video, just go to the section of my channel where it says videos, hit that, and scroll down, and you can see a video if finding out bananas are healthy. Will they make you fat? Will you get AFib? Will you... What's the other complaint that people have? Will you get potassium poisoning? And is it too much sugar? I cut up an apple. This is a Fuji apple. Throw it in there. It's winter, everybody's sick, so I'm just putting in a little extra vitamin C here as a powder. And now the secret sauce. Some Greek yogurt. So do you consider this healthy or do you consider it bad? Am I creating inflammation because I'm eating something that came from a cow? Or do you consider this good? We're going to throw some peanut butter in it. Just a whole scoop of peanut butter. If you haven't already seen the video, I made a video of how to choose a peanut butter if you are going to eat peanut butter. What's a good healthy peanut butter and what's a bad peanut butter? Make sure and choose a good one. Watch the video. And now I've got a bag of various berries, blueberries, strawberries, they're all frozen. And I'm just going to throw a couple handfuls in there. That should do the trick. And then I just add some ice a little bit to make it cold. I'm going to put some water in it so it's just not so thick. And then we're off to the races. Alright, so there's lunch. Do you consider it vegan, vegetarian? Do you consider it healthy or unhealthy? What do you think about the ingredients? Just an average lunch. So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.